Hello guys, welcome and welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Nancy and welcome, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for finding time to watch my video. And on today's video we are going to do the review of my washing machine. Let's start. So guys, this is the product that I use. It's a detergent for some machine washing detergent powder. It have been working perfectly good, and I have this one for toast, but I don't like this one. And I have this one for fabric softener, conditioner, just nice. Then I have this Topex for colors, for all colors. Yeah, this is the stand. It is very organizable, as you can see. Yeah, so let's start. So this is the machine. It's a 8 kg, and these are the compacts for putting the detergent. You press your soap there and your fabric softener here, and this is its setting. So guys, you start by sorting out the cloth. If it is cotton, you have to put the clothes that are made of cotton. If it is jeans, you have to put jeans a certain load, different load. So because of cloth discoloration, you can put clothes that are that are that they have discoloration. They put the rest of the cloth colors. So you have to be careful. So guys, I'm sorting out this cloth. Then I put my first load. So, do you think we should sing for them a song? We should sing for you a song when you come home. We shall sing for you a song. So guys, this machine have been saving time for me, since I'm not a home time mommy. I go to work from Monday to Saturday. So this one save my time, save a lot of money, because so guys, you have to check in the pocket if there are some remains of coins or keys, because that one is not suitable for the machine. It can break the door handle, it can break the rock, or it can bring the blockage. So guys, I think these are like 1.5. These clothes are like 1.5 clothes for the entire family. And I do the washing once per week when I'm free. So this is it. You have to tie this one out like this, so that when it is spinning, these strings don't hang somewhere here. They can spin, then this one block over here, so you have to be extra careful. So guys, this is my first load. Let's put inside. I think the cloth, I have to add little. The load have to be full. You can't put a halfway load. Yeah. You check if there are pins in the pocket. You check the buttons. You check the zip. So guys, I mix my detergent with this one, like this. I put over here. I think that one is okay. Then I put softener, fabric softener. I measure with this one. Put there. Then I make sure the power supply is okay. And connect it over here. See, it's on. After that, I come to my setting. This is not supposed to be synthetic, supposed to be cotton. And then I start like that. So I think right now it is pumping the water. Then after 1 minute, it will start the cleaning. After 1 hour, it will start the spinning process. Then after that, after 20 minutes or so, the cloth will be done. So stay tuned.
A few moments later.
So guys, right now I'm having my lunch with my family. As you can see, it is ugari skuma, and we are going to enjoy it. Thank you. It's very yummy.